Gonna lean back, rest on the hand, and kick the knee. From here, just roll right back up into them. Uppercut.
Yeah, everybody sing Combat University, Combat University, Combat University, Combat University, Combat University, Combat University. Let's go!
What do you do if you're on your knee and somebody strikes you? Well, that's what we're going to go over today. So watch this clip from Deadpool, and I'll meet you back here to go over today's lesson. Let's check it out. So as you saw in this clip, as she was standing there, gets struck right here. So we're going to block. After we block it, just an out block here, block, going to lean back, rest on the hand, and kick the knee. From here, just roll right back up into them, uppercut. Block, lean and strike. Roll back up, uppercut. Hey, yeah, hey. Now block, kick, hey. So for this one, he already struck you. So here, you already hit here. Well, the good thing about being here is this groin is right in front of you. So obviously we can't block on this one, so we're going to reach out and we're going to strike the groin. Hey! Hey! Yeah! So reach out and strike. Lean back, kick. Hey! Hey! Yeah! Hey! Hey! Lean back, kick. If you don't want to wait for them to strike, just straight come back and you kick to distract them, uppercut. Hey. Ha. So you might want to practice that motion. Just lean back on your hand here and feel what it's like to just come up here. Here. Hey. 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 Strike. Kick. Hey. Now it's time for you to go try it out. So hit that like and subscribe, and I'll meet you back here next time for more self-defense techniques.